like peak school traffic time. I forgot that's a thing again now. So that'll be fun to deal with, but I'm trying to go to that car show that they have on Thursdays. So I was timing it around that. I think last time I was too late. So I'm leaving a lot earlier today, which means I'm getting hit with school traffic. But the car show will likely be the next video, not this one, because I plan on making a video on the way there, then a video when I actually get there, and then one on the way home from that. Thing is, sorry, this girl was coming in hot and now she's way too close behind me. But thing is, I did those videos yesterday on the project bike and I uploaded them, and then I made some breakthroughs on it. But if I talk about it now and I upload my videos in order, it'll be spoilers for the next video about it, because these videos will go up before the next project bike video, like I said, if I go in order. So then I'd be spoiling it, which I don't really want to. So I'm probably just not going to talk about it. That way the videos are still in order, but I'm not ruining anything. But I will say that it's only going to be a 3-part rebuild. That's all I'll say about it. Got a hoodie on today. It's only 74 at what time is it? Almost 4 o'clock, which is very weird for August. Normally it's still like 80s. It's supposed to be 80 again in like 2 or 3 days. It's supposed to warm back up, but for some reason we got hit with a little bit of a cold spurt, or it's been chilly the last couple days. I think it was like 50 when I woke up, maybe a little less, but we did get a weird little bit of cold for a couple days, just cold for August. It made me nervous about riding season, but like I said, it's supposed to be hot again in a few days, because I normally ride until like November, and it's only the end of August. But it's warming back up, so for right now I should be good for a little bit. I'm already starting the winter stockpile since I'm working full time and doing stuff on the side and everything. I don't really have a whole lot of time to ride. I haven't been able to do 2 videos a week all summer, which sucks. But I'm working on saving them up for the winter so that you guys don't have a huge gap of no videos from me. Two Challengers. I only knew of the white one that was behind me, but now I got a red one behind me. I mean, on this bike it wouldn't even be close, but it'd still be somewhat fun. I wonder if they're headed to the same place as me. I'm looking into getting a new job just because I'm tired of how little I get paid at my current job. It is not much at all, and I hate it. I have a lot of expenses and stuff and things I want to do and get paid for and all that stuff, and with my job, my current job, that would take forever to get to. So I'm working on getting a better paying job. I'm doing what I can to get raises at my current one because I really like it, but that can only get you so far. I hate this part. fix it. I still need to do an oil change on this bike. Still, I got distracted by the Ninja 1000 for a little bit. Got focused on that, but there's nothing else I can do to it right now. I'm waiting for parts. Oh. Well, I have to cut that part out because I just remembered I said I wasn't going to spoil anything. And then I talked about plans when I get home, and that's a spoiler because I forgot where I left off. So, note to future me, when you're editing this, cut that part out. Idiot. I think he was telling me to wheelie. Not only can I not do that, but I refuse to even try on the ZX10. I've tried a couple times on the R6. I've actually pulled off some little ones in my older videos, but I haven't done it recently. Like I said, I refused to even try it on this bike. Already wrecked it once. Sorry to disappoint if you were looking for a wheelie. That's the same guy that was telling me to wheelie. He's giving me a head nod as he drove fast. Appreciate it, bro. I wish you could have seen it when it was carbon fiber, but it didn't last long. Got the remnants right here. Well, it actually looks kind of cool in the reflection. I'll give him a little flyby, kind of little mini one. I missed the green arrow. That's unfortunate. Maybe I won't. I did. I should have done that sooner. Alright, well, I'm going to wrap this one up here. I'm just going to head to the bank, deposit some money. And then I'm going to head to the car show, which hopefully I timed it right. Hopefully there's a good bit of cars and people there this time, so I can actually make like a good video out of it. If not, that and the ride home will just be one video. But if there are enough people there, there's enough cars and stuff to look at, that will be its own video, and then I'll make another video on the ride home. So it'll be 3 today. Ideally, that's the plan. But I don't know how many people are going to be there. So I'll figure that out after I stop at the bank. And I will see you then. Later.